Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an innate talent for technology? Why certain individuals can pick up new gadgets and systems with ease, while others struggle to adapt? According to astrology, your zodiac sign may hold the key to your tech affinity. And when it comes to the most tech-savvy sign of the zodiac, there's one that stands out from the rest: Scorpio. Scorpios possess a unique combination of skills and traits that make them natural problem solvers and innovators in the tech industry. From their ability to focus and analyze to their intuition and adaptability, Scorpios have what it takes to succeed in the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of technology. So, why is Scorpio the best at tech out of all these zodiacs? Let's take a closer look. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Scorpio is known for its intensity, passion, and focus, and these qualities make it a natural fit for the tech industry. Scorpios are born between October 23rd and November 21st and are represented by the scorpion. They are highly intuitive and analytical, and these qualities make them excellent problem solvers. Scorpios have a natural affinity for technology and are often the first to adopt new gadgets and software. Scorpios have a natural ability to focus their attention and block out distractions, which is a valuable skill in the tech industry. To solve complex problems, it is often necessary to be able to concentrate for extended periods without getting sidetracked. Scorpios can do this thanks to their intense and passionate nature. They can become deeply absorbed in a problem and stay focused until they find a solution. In addition to their ability to concentrate, Scorpios are also highly analytical. They can break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces, which allows them to develop innovative solutions that others may overlook. This analytical mindset is particularly useful in the tech industry, where new technologies are constantly emerging and problems are often multifaceted. Scorpios are also natural problem solvers. They have a strong desire to understand how things work and to solve problems that others may find challenging. This drive to understand and innovate is a key reason why Scorpios excel in the tech industry. They are not satisfied with simply finding a solution to a problem. They want to develop something new and innovative that can change the way people interact with technology. They also have a unique intuition that allows them to spot patterns and trends in technology that others may overlook. They can sense the direction in which technology is moving and adapt quickly, giving them a competitive edge in the industry. This intuitive ability is particularly valuable in a field where new technologies are constantly emerging, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial to success. When it comes to tarot, Scorpio is represented by the Death card, which is often associated with change, transformation, and new beginnings. This card symbolizes Scorpio's ability to adapt to new technology and embrace change. Scorpios are often drawn to the tarot because it allows them to tap into their intuition and inner wisdom, which are important qualities in the field of tech. Scorpios have a unique ability to see things from different perspectives, and they can use their intuition to identify patterns and trends in the tech industry. Scorpio tarot cards, such as the Death card, can be particularly relevant to their tech affinity. The Death card symbolizes transformation and change, which are key aspects of the tech industry. Scorpios are not afraid to embrace new technologies and adapt to change, which makes them well suited for this field. Additionally, the Scorpio tarot card, the High Priestess, represents intuition, mystery, and hidden knowledge. Scorpios have a deep understanding of the inner workings of technology and can often sense when something is not working correctly. They have an intuitive sense of troubleshooting and problem solving, which can be incredibly valuable in the tech industry. Furthermore, the Scorpio tarot card, the Tower, represents destruction and upheaval. While this may seem like a negative card, it can be incredibly transformative and powerful. Scorpios have a natural ability to break down complex systems and rebuild them from the ground up, which is an important skill in the tech industry. In comparison to Scorpio, some zodiac signs are also tech-savvy, while others may struggle to adapt to new technologies. For example, Aquarians are another tech-savvy sign, and their love for technology and innovation is well known. They are highly independent and are always seeking new ways to push the boundaries of what is possible. They are also social creatures and enjoy using technology to connect with others, whether it's through social media or online communities. Aquarians are not afraid to experiment with new technologies and are often the first to adopt the latest gadgets and apps. On the other hand, Aries is another sign that possesses natural leadership skills and problem-solving abilities, which makes them well-suited to introducing new technologies and finding innovative solutions. They thrive in fast-paced, competitive environments and enjoy finding new and innovative ways to solve problems. Aries is not afraid to take risks and is always looking for ways to improve efficiency and productivity through technology. Their leadership skills make them ideal for introducing new systems and technologies into organizations. While some signs excel in the tech industry, others may struggle to keep up. Taurus, for example, is known for its love of tradition and may be resistant to new technologies that disrupt established systems. Cancers, on the other hand, are highly emotional and may become overwhelmed by the constant stream of information and stimuli that technology provides. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of different signs can help individuals and organizations make informed decisions about how to best utilize their skills and expertise in the tech industry. However, it's important to note that astrology is just one factor that may influence a person's tech affinity, and individuals of any sign can develop the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the tech world. To wrap it up, we can say Scorpio is a zodiac sign that stands out in the tech industry due to its unique combination of analytical, intuitive, and adaptive traits. They are quick to adapt to new technologies and can easily spot emerging trends and patterns that others may miss. Scorpio's strong tech affinity gives them a competitive edge in the industry, making them among the most innovative and successful professionals in the field. While other signs like Aquarius and Aries may also possess strong tech skills, Scorpio's unique combination of traits sets them apart. Some signs, like Taurus and Cancer, may struggle to keep up with the fast-paced nature of the industry due to their love of tradition or emotional sensitivity. Overall, Scorpio's exceptional tech skills, combined with their intuitive nature, make them a formidable force in the tech industry. Whether it's developing innovative solutions or staying ahead of the latest trends, Scorpio is undoubtedly the best at tech out of all these zodiacs. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.